a minute and a daggone half since I have actually been here on this channel, and I apologize for that. Y'all, on some real, parenting has got the best of me, okay? And literally, it's just the most amazing thing ever, but it keeps your girl extremely busy. If you guys are not aware, if you guys are newer, I am a new twin mama, okay? Of the most amazingly beautiful 2-year-old toddler twins. Their names are Jackson and Jayla, okay? And you guys, they just keep your girl busy, okay? So parenting life has taken over everything, all right? Which explains my absence here on this channel and trying to figure out the best way to go about executing videos on this channel as well as my daily vlog channel, okay? I do upload quite frequently over there, and so if you're not subscribed over there, if you guys want to see what life is like as a crazy twin mama, definitely make sure to go check it out. It's the Socialite Life TV. I will leave it linked down below and iCard it. That's one. And two, your girl's been sick for a little while, so you're gonna notice that your girl has a little tiny bit of the sniffles. I'm congested as all get out, sick as all get out, so I'm trying to recuperate whenever possible in between tending to these crazy toddlers. So while they're asleep, I thought I would pop in and say what's up to you guys. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day or night, week or weekend, whenever y'all are watching this video right here, okay? And yes, y'all, I wanted to share some amazingness with you guys that I just recently picked up. Hi, baby girl! So yes, y'all, the kiddos are awake officially. And so yeah, this is crazy. This is my life, okay? My day-to-day life is absolutely insane. Parenting has definitely got the best of me. It's the most amazing experience ever. I wouldn't change it for the world, but it's been hard to schedule things, okay? And to get things going as I normally would have BK, before kids, okay? But I wanted to pop in and share a few things with you guys. I have a couple of quick announcements, and then I also wanted to share with you guys a try-on haul of sorts of some pieces that I recently picked up, some workout pieces, okay? From one of my absolute favorite stores ever, okay? And of course, it's convenient, so it's online, and so it'll be convenient for y'all as well. I should also let you guys know, your girl is extremely sick, so you are going to notice that I am very congested and that I'm going to be stumbling over my words. I've been sucking on cough drops all day, taking as much medicine as I possibly can, and then of course tending to the kiddos as well. But anyway, I wanted to share with you guys some pieces that I picked up from Fabletics, okay? If you guys are not already familiar with Fabletics, you guys, they are the most amazing online retailer. They have a little bit of everything, but the favorite thing that I love to grab from their site are their workout clothes. I have been a long time subscriber of theirs, okay, for well over a year. I absolutely love their pieces, and many of you guys, when you're asking me where I get my workout clothes from, a lot of them are from Fabletics. If you're not familiar with Fabletics, let me put you on game. So the kiddos are occupied. They're playing right here, okay? So anyway, just to give you guys an idea of what Fabletics is all about, they are an online retailer of the most amazing workout pieces ever, okay? And the thing that I absolutely love about Fabletics is, one, everything's at a discount. So once you become a VIP member, you get up to 50% off of everything that is on their site, okay? Which you guys will be floored at just how much there is on their site and the variety of things you have to choose from, okay? The other thing that I love about that is the fact that when you go on the site, you can actually select from a variety of different categories for each thing. So for me, I prefer high-waisted bottoms with more compression, and you can actually go on their site and say, okay, let me look at the bottoms, let me look specifically for the type of compression that I'm looking for, whether it's high-waisted and I want really good compression, as in I want it to be more fitted, okay, on me. That's what I prefer, right? I'm high-waisted, so that's kind of my preference. You can also look at sports bras and also look at the sports bras and have them divvied up based on the level of support that you need, okay? So for us larger chested women who might need a little bit more support, you can actually check that out and specifically, you know, look up categories specific to what you need as far as the level of support you need for your bras. It's amazing, okay? You can buy the pieces separate, so you can buy several pants, you can buy shirts, you can buy sports bras and all of that separate, jackets, all of that separately, or you can buy them in outfits, which is my preference. So I typically buy in full-on ensembles, but I make sure that they are ensembles that I can mix and match with each other. And with that, you also get so many discounts with that as well. So you'll definitely want to become a VIP member. The link for that is at the top of the description box. And not only that, but by you guys checking out the link at the top of the description box down below, you will also be able to get 2 sets of leggings for only $24, okay? $24. Now y'all know if y'all shop at any of those other athleisure type stores, y'all know specifically the ones I'm talking about. You can get a pair of leggings for literally one pair of leggings, okay, for $110 and above. That's not even with tax, honey, okay? That's one pair of leggings, $89 to $110. Believe me, I've shopped at those places before. So that's why I love Fabletics, because it allows me to be able to select from so many options, okay, as far as like pants and workout tops and jackets and bras and all of that good stuff, right? And all kinds of sizes, which is absolutely amazing, okay? But at a very, very large discount, okay, because I am a VIP member. So you'll definitely want to check it out down below. Check out the description box down below. Top of the description box, you will find the link that will give you that 2 leggings for $24, okay? You'll become a VIP, okay? Trust me, y'all will not be sorry. And you will get 2 sets of leggings of your choice for $24, all right? So that is my gift to y'all, all right? But this video is to showcase some items that I recently picked up myself and to show you how they fit. I also want you guys to see them in action. So some of the pieces, a couple of them I'm gonna just show you here on camera, okay? But I'm also going to show you some of them as I'm working out or when I'm at the gym, because I've worn pretty much every single outfit to the gym. And a lot of you guys have seen me on Instagram rocking the pieces and have been asking me where I have been getting these outfits from. And Fabletics is the jump off, y'all. That's where I've been getting them from, okay? So make sure y'all check it out down below. Again, 2 leggings for $24. Check out my try on haul of the pieces that I picked up from Fabletics. What's up, y'all? Okay, I feel like it's been forever since I've picked up a camera, but anyway, I just wanted to pop in and say hello. I'm actually at the gym getting a Saturday night workout in, and your girl wants to show you what this outfit looks like in real life, like at the gym when she finna work out for real. Y'all know it's been a big thing for me to rock crop tops. I've never been one that's been very comfortable, especially after having the twins, with rocking crop tops. And your girl's been rocking crop tops like crazy, because every outfit that she done got from Fabletics is a crop top outfit, okay? And I've rocked every single one of them so far. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen some of them by now. But I wanted to show you guys this in real life so you guys could actually see me work out. My battery's about to die. Go figure. So let me go ahead and show you guys what the outfit looks like in real life. All right, guys, before the battery actually dies, because it will die here in 2.5 seconds, this is one of the outfits I got from Fabletics. It is a high-waisted legging, and I got it with the sports bra to go along with it. And I'm literally rocking this to work out today, okay, with my Nikes, my Huge, right? Turn to the side here so y'all can see, right? They're high-waisted, so they go above the belly button, which is my preference. I'm high-waisted anyway, so I naturally pull my pants up above my belly button anyway. Super duper comfortable, guys. So far, all the outfits that I've rocked at the gym have been phenomenal and so perfect for squatting, bending over, jumping, all the things that I typically do at the gym. But I'm gonna try to see if I can shoot some snippets of my workout in this outfit so y'all can see, like, this is a for real workout proof outfit. It's not just rocking around your house or going to the grocery store to look like you go to the gym. It actually is functional for going to the gym, and super cute too. So I will show you as many of these outfits as I can when I come to the gym to work out, and of course I will charge my battery before I do so, but I at least wanted to show you guys what one looked like. Let's do this. What's up, y'all? So I told y'all that I was going to show y'all some of these outfits from Fabletics, just to show you guys how functional they are and how they do in the gym. Juice is already down with the kids right now, otherwise he would have shot what I look like, but since I have a mirror in front of me, I can at least show you guys what the outfit looks like that I've got on right now. Y'all, this outfit is so badass. It is so super cute, okay? So let me show you what it looks like real quick. Bam! Okay, so this is green and black, as you guys can see. Let me get real close so y'all can see the detail on this sports bra. Y'all see that? Tell me that is not freaking amazing, right? Okay, so I got it as a set, Avi, right? Now, what I will say about a lot of the pants that I got from Fabletics, I should have gotten some of them in a medium, and this is one of them. I got in a large. I got the top in the medium and bottom in a large, which is probably what I got for 99.9% of what I got, right? But because my measurements are changing, this area right here is just a little looser than I'd like it to be. So next time I'll be ordering a medium in the pants as well, but just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. I'll show you guys some of the detail on the pants, right? Same as the top. I just thought this was the cutest outfit ever. Y'all know I'm into loud prints and loud patterns. And yeah, y'all, yet another sports bra and bottom set, okay? And yeah, so here's what the whole outfit looks like. Sorry, the hubster is getting the kiddos and I have to go meet him right now actually. So that's why I couldn't really shoot much of my workout, or any of my workout for that matter, today, because we were in a rush. But I at least wanted you guys to see the outfit. Bam, bam, bam. We meet again here at the gym in another outfit. I'm trying to get as many of them shot for y'all as possible so y'all can actually see how they look, right, on, okay, and good lighting too, right? But one thing I will say, and it's been consistent throughout so far, is that I probably need to go down a size in the pants. I chose a medium in the top and a large in all of my sets for the pants, and I should really go to a medium, but I've gotten a medium before on Fabletics. I was heavier, you know, back then too. And so I didn't feel 150% comfortable in the mediums, you know what I mean? I didn't want too much fat rolls, you know, kind of hanging over to the sides and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But now I'm a little smaller, measurements a little different. So I think I'll be more comfortable in the medium, right? But I'm rocking another crop top, y'all, okay? And I'm pretty stoked about it. And the pants are a little bit too big, so I'm just gonna give you that heads up. Even though they may not look it right now, but I am having to pull them up. These are not as fitted around the belly. So they're not as much compression as some of the others that I've tried on. And so I wanted to at least give you that heads up. The one I just showed you prior to this was also another one that was not as physically tight on me. So you're not gonna feel like you have compression pants on, okay? So just stay as true to size as you possibly can so you can get that, because I think if I'd gotten the medium in this pant and the pants that I just showed you right before this, I would have felt a lot better about it, okay? Because it would have felt more, I would have been pulled in more. Does that make sense? Because you all know compression pants pull you in, they bring your stomach up a little bit, you know what I mean? So let me go ahead and show you guys the outfit, because I haven't even worked out yet and I need to work out. Okay, so let's do this. What's up, y'all? Okay, here I am. So this outfit is a medium sports bra top, okay? But so far so good, you guys. The only thing with these, I should let you know, these are not adjustable, okay? So some of the other sports bras are, but this one in particular is not, okay? So stay true to size on this. Thankfully for me, it feels good, okay? And then the pants, you guys can probably tell I'm kind of matchy-matchy. That's just kind of how I've always been. I don't do a lot of mixing of prints, but the cool thing is that a lot of their sets you can interchange. So you can get a different top, and they sell them separately. They also sell them as outfits, so you have a lot of variety with Fabletics. I love it. I'm loving the selections that I've gotten so far. So anyway, y'all know I love loud and crazy. And let me give you guys a side profile of what I'm looking like in the pants so you guys can see. So these are more ankle length, right? And I had to pull them up a little bit because, like I said, they're a little bunchy here because I should have gotten a medium. I just didn't know, I wasn't sure, so I wanted to err on the side of caution. They're a little on the higher pants side as well, right? Which I love. I prefer higher waisted pants. But yeah, this is it. Just so y'all can see it. There we go. Just to make sure you guys are focused. Okay. There we go. All right. Let's go get our workout on. What's up, y'all? We meet again at the gym. And I am rocking one of my Fabletics outfits. And it's absolutely adorable, okay? This one is gray. Hopefully you guys can see the detail on it. I'll get a little closer so y'all can see. Okay, so we got the sports bra, and it's got kind of like a zebra print type of situation going on. And then I got it with the matching gray pants. They are super comfortable. This is not as compression as some of the other pairs of pants that I've shown you guys. These are more kind of a loungewear type of pant, I would definitely say. This is a medium support type bra for sure. It does have straps in the back that you can adjust, which is awesome. And yeah, other than that, these are adorable. They have the same print on the bottom, if you guys can see that as well. And they're super, super, super comfortable, you guys, like super duper comfortable, okay? But like I said, these are more lounge and not as much compression, right? So you're not gonna get as much compression in the waistline, but it is a higher waistline pair of pants. And it's super comfortable, like I said, super comfortable. I just needed a little bit smaller. So one size smaller and I would have been good to go. My top, just like the others, are medium, perfectly fine. I could have gone smaller in the top. This is, again, more of a loungewear type set. But other than that, it is absolutely adorable. Let me go ahead and move my arm so you guys can see it better. Yeah. So that's what it looks like, y'all. Love these pieces. They just come out with so many cute, adorable pieces. So loving this one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my Fabletics try-on haul. If you guys want more of these, comment that down below, okay? And yeah, y'all, make sure y'all take advantage of that 2 leggings for $24. It's for a limited time only. Check out the link at the top of the description box to take advantage of that. Y'all, I promise y'all will not be sorry. These clothes are effing dope, okay? Let's just be real, okay? And y'all have seen me rock them and have been asking me where I got them from. And Honey Boo Boo Child Fabletics is a jump up. Go and take advantage of that 2 leggings for $24, okay? You can't beat that price. Take advantage. Check out the Kelly Rowland stuff that's on there. Demi Lovato has a line on there that's dope as well. And yeah, y'all, hopefully you guys enjoy. By the way, before I forget, if you guys have not signed up for my February Fit and Foin by the Summertime Challenge, it's a 21-day challenge where I help you as your coach and your accountability partner to hit your health and fitness goals, okay? It's literally 3 weeks of dedication with me, okay, along with many others of our Team Transformation Fit fam that are doing the same exact thing. So we're all one big old happy family, okay? If you guys want to check that out, the survey that you fill out, which is literally all of 2.5 seconds, is down below, so make sure you guys check it out. It's below the Fabletics link where it gives you 2 leggings for $24, but it will give you access to a quick survey you'll fill out, and then once I get your survey, I'll follow up with you and get you started. Make sure you guys hit up the survey. It's literally the link down below, Fabletics, okay? And check it out, and I will get you started, y'all. You'll get a 30-day meal plan, a 30-day workout plan. You're gonna get accountability from your girl. We're gonna do weekly weigh-ins. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. Not only that, but you'll also have private group support where you're gonna join other women and men that are doing the same thing you are, okay? Okay, here you go, baby, here you go. So, make sure you guys check out the link, fill out the survey, and I can't wait for you to join us. Anyway, y'all, I love you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and leave before my kids tear up my office. Okay, that's all nice and crispy clean right now. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.